parking garage here, and check it out. We got a glass elevator here. Let's hurry up and catch it. Also, look at this really weird floor indicator here on the outside. Yeah, it looks like an Adams mod. Maybe Montgomery? I'm not sure. Oh, this was Dover? I think that's Dover. This was Montgomery County, I think. Pretty sure. Shit, no. I don't know. Those were. I feel like I've seen these brails used on both Montgomery County and Dover. It's hard to tell. No, this wasn't Dover. There's no blue on the shaft. Probably Montgomery County. I don't know. Or some generic. Here's the panel, just your basic Adams Survivor Plus. That indicator's neat though. We'll watch it for a couple floors. Anyway, I gotta go back down now and take pictures, so that's it. Actually, we'll just ride down. Oh, cancel my call. You know what, we'll just get up. Oh, and now it's going down. Who the hell even knows? There's the buttons. Just parked.